Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home, the Sticks. Hope everybody's having a shonuff good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, shonuff hot. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, but other than that, it's just hot. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan Scholar got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, do you like chicken salad? We like chicken salad over here. We want to share a shonuff, good, easy chicken salad recipe. And I'm here to tell you, folks gonna get lined up to get slapped, just wanting to eat it. Give me a second. That's what we finna do's. What we're gonna make for you and y'all today is a shonuff easy chicken salad recipe. We made it over the weekend and I'm here to tell you, Skylar really likes it, the kids really like it, so it's a good recipe, really easy. Let's show you what the ingredients are. What we have here is some chicken breast that we are poaching, and this is approximately 6 pounds of chicken breast. We have 3 chopped up stalks of celery, 4 whole green onions that we chopped up, 1 large white onion that we chopped up, some Tony seasoning, some dill weed, some Hellmann's mayonnaise or mayonnaise, and some Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. Now, you don't have to use Hellmann's mayonnaise if you don't want to. You don't have to use Grey Poupon. You just need to use Dijon mustard. The one thing that we're using is dill weed. If we could have got some fresh dill, we probably would have used that. Dan, why are these green onions chopped a little bit different than these white onions? Well, on these green onions, I like to slice them really thin. And the reason why I do that, for one, it looks visually appealing because it offsets how everything looks. And plus, I just like the little small medallions, if you will, of green onion mixed in with the chicken salad. One thing I'll caution you on is, whatever mayonnaise you use, or whatever mayo you use, make sure you use the same one through the whole recipe. Don't mix the mayonnaise. We tried that once and it didn't taste good at all. So, what we got to do now is we have to get this chicken out, and I'm going to show you how we're going to cut the chicken, because there's several different ways that you can do it, but I'm going to show you the way that we did it, and everybody liked it, the way that it turned out. So give me a second. A lot of people actually shred these chicken breasts, but what we're going to do is we're going to cut ours. Let me show you. All we do is just cut ours into chunks like that. And I guess that's kind of like a shred, but that's how we're going to cut it. We're not actually going to pull it apart like that. We're actually going to cut ours. If you like big chunks of chicken in your chicken salad, you shred it. We like ours kind of like that. Skylar and I are going to get this chicken cut up, and then we'll bring you back for the next step. Give me a second. We have our 6 pounds of chicken breast cut up. That's about how we like it. So the only thing that we have left to do is just start adding the other ingredients into this and mixing it up. We're going to get us a fine chicken salad going. Let's add our onions in there. And again, all of this is to taste. If you like more onions, put more onions. Less, put less. We'll put our green onions in. Put our celery in. I'm going to give it a couple of shakes of this dill weed. Not too much. A couple of shakes of it. That'll work. I'm going to put a couple of shakes of some Tonys in here. Now, I'm not really using any certain amounts. I'm just doing this by taste and by sight. So I would say that's probably about a teaspoon, maybe, of Tonys. Now on the mayo, it's up to you. The recipe is normally for 2 pounds of chicken, and it calls for a ½ cup of mayo. This is 6 pounds of chicken. So you just add it in.
Which we love a lot of mayonnaise.
That's right. And you just taste it. It looks like a lot, but I'm here to tell you that is a lot of chicken. All right, we're gonna add in probably maybe 2 tablespoons of some Dijon mustard. The best thing to do is just mix it and taste it. Oh, forgot one thing. Gotta add a little bit of black pepper in there. So we're gonna add that in there. All right, let's give this a stir. And I could tell just by looking at it that we're gonna have to add some more mayo to it, just by looking at it. We are finally done with the chicken salad. This is what it turned out looking like. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little taste test. We're gonna work it around, and then we're gonna plate one up and we're gonna show you how we eat chicken salad sandwiches. So let's give some of this to the young and Landon and see what he thinks. Come on, get after it. How's it taste?
Dang, that's good.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna make us a chicken salad sandwich and then we'll bring you right back. Here is the finished product and how we like to eat our chicken salad. What we have here is just chicken salad on our croissant, and I'm here to tell you, it's gonna make for some fine eating. Skylar's like, hurry up and come on. Landon's like, hurry up and come on. So I'm gonna go on and end this video. That's what we wanted to share with you. A real quick and simple, easy chicken salad that I'm sure everybody's gonna like. You can eat this joke on croissants, you can eat it on white bread, you can eat it on French bread, whatever. Eat it on crackers, it's showing up good.
Chips.
And chips. So again, I hope everybody is having a showing off good Monday, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis we still, unfortunately, have still going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the Home of the Sticks channel, oh, the mercy. Y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan and Skylar a look, because we always doing stuff, like making chicken salad. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine.
I mean, nobody.
That's right, you get your shine on, and Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.